we're going to talk about things that go and help us do work like building and projects. This right here, what do you think this could help us do? This dump truck could help me move rocks. That's right, this shovel is a tool I'm using to fill this dump truck to help me move rocks. It can also dump them. Look at that. What do you suppose this could help me do? It's another way to move rocks. I can scoop them and move them. Yeah, that's right. There's lots of things we have that help us move and work on big, huge projects. Let's see what we've got. I've got another tool over here. This we're going to call a ramp. A ramp. It's just a big hunk of wood, and it's going to help me move some stuff. And we're going to see if the stuff I put on the ramp rolls or scoots, I guess would be the word. Let's see here. What do you think is going to happen? I'm going to put this ball on the ramp. Do you think it's going to roll down it or slide down it? Let's see here. Whoa, what did that ball do? It rolled. That's right. It's rolled down it. Okay, let's see here. What about this choo-choo train? What do you think it's going to do? It's got wheels. Think it's going to roll or slide? The choo-choo rolled. That's right. Good job, guys. What about this block? It doesn't seem very round. I wonder if it's going to roll or slide. That slid. That's right. It just slid right down. It still would be a very helpful way to move it if we needed to move a bunch of blocks, huh? We could slide them down. What do you think is going to happen with my keys? They did not roll, did they? They slid. That's right. Okay. Okay, I got a silly one. What do you think this spoon is going to do? This spoon is going to roll, you think? Let's see. Slide. It slid right down. Okay, here we go. I've got this water bottle. What do you think it's gonna do? Let's see. If I put it like this, what do you think it's gonna do? Slid down, huh? Okay, water bottles are tricky. What do you think will happen if I put it like this? Do you think it's gonna change anything? Let's see. It rolled down. Did you get a load of that? Look at that. Nice. Okay, you guys, so I worked really hard on this project. I made myself a couple of trucks out of some egg cartons and toilet paper rolls. This one moves. His wheels move. This is a dump truck. Watch this. Okay, he's got rocks. Look at that. That's my dump truck I made. Could you guys make some sort of car or tool or machine that might help us do a big, huge building project? The other thing I made is a choo-choo train. Look at my choo-choo train. Choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-choo. We could move rocks down the road with a choo-choo train, huh? What else do you think we could move in a choo-choo train on my dump truck? Okay, I'm excited to hear what you guys make at home. Okay, bye guys.